Good morning, children. So, our today's topic is drugs and alcohol abuse. So, the question arises this that why this topic is included in our syllabus. The answer is this that drug and alcohol use has been increasing or rising, especially among the youth. And actually, this is really a cause of concern because we want to keep safe our youth from the harmful effects of this drug and alcohol. Okay, for this the children or youth needs a proper education, proper guidance which will enable our youth to safeguard themselves against the dangerous behavioral pattern or of this drug and alcohol and to follow the healthy lifestyle. Okay, this is one thing why this chapter we are discussing now. Now in this paragraph you also to write simultaneously what are the types of the drugs. So as I have written types, you will also write in this paragraph the types of the drugs are given. Types of the drugs are opioids, cannabinoids, coca alkaloids, and majority of these are obtained from the flowering plant and some of them are even obtained from the fungi. एक तो ये टाइप्स आ गए इस पैराग्राफ में. नाउ वी आर टेकिंग वन टाइप ओपियोइड्स. अब इसमें व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन डू दे आस्क व्हाट आर द रिसेप्टर ऑफ द ओपियोइड टाइप ऑफ ड्रग्स. नंबर 1, in which form it is available in the market. Number 2, what is the chemical nature of the drug. Number 3, how do it is obtained. Number 4, and from which plant and in which form it is obtained. So answers are coming one after the other. Opioid. The receptors of the opioid drug is our body is the central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. These all are very important point. ये एक नंबर तो यहीं पर बन गया. Gastrointestinal tract and central nervous system. Number 1. These are the receptor. Number 2. What is its common name? Its common name is smack. And its chemical name is diacetylmorphine. Its character are it is white, odorless, bitter, crystalline compound. These all you are to learn. Next is it is obtained by. How do it is obtained? It is obtained. This is the question. How do it is obtained? Morphine, this opioids drugs. So it is obtained by the acetylation of morphine. This is all chemistry. It is obtained by acetylation of morphine. So what is morphine? Morphine, the plant of morphine or poppy is been drawn here. Morphine is actually extracted from the latex. Latex means milk of the poppy plant. And what is the scientific name of the plant? Papaver somniferum. Okay. And how do it is being used? It is used in the form of snoring, मतलब सूंघा जाता है. In the form of injection it is available. And example of this drug is heroin. And effect of this heroin is it is a depressant and it slows down the body function. So this is all about the opioid. एक opioid में there are different types of questions are formed. Now it comes the cannabinoid. Same type of question, receptor. The receptor of cannabinoids type of chemicals or the drugs is the brain of our body. Number 1. How do it is obtained? It is actually the inflorescence of the flower. ये cannabis sativa is the इसका leaf बनाया हुआ है. But the flower can also be used as a drug or to obtain these cannabinoids. So this brain is the receptor. Inflorescence of the plant of cannabis sativa which I was showing you, and then the flower tops, its leaves, and the resin of the cannabis plant in various combination is used as drug. And what are the common name of cannabinoids? Marijuana, hashish, charas and ganja. By these name it is available in the market. How do it is used? It is used as means taken by inhalation, again by matlab sungna, then ingestion यानी चबाना, and this is having its effect on cardiovascular system of the body. तो इसमें सारे क्वेश्चन आ गए. इसका रिसेप्टर, from where it is obtained, which part of the plant is used, what are the common name by which it is available in the market, how it is used, and it affects on which part of the body. And its structure is shown here, cannabinoid molecule. And this is the plant leaf by which it is obtained. Now it comes the third type of drug. The third type of drug is cocaine or coca alkaloids. It is obtained from a plant coca. Its scientific name is Erythroxylum coca. It is the plant mainly of South America. How do it affects? It affects by interfering our neurotransmitter dopamine, and it's commonly available as coke or crack. How it is used? It is used by snoring. What is its effect? It stimulates our nervous system. It produces the sense of euphoria. Euphoria means an extremely strong feeling of happiness. That is called as euphoria. It increases the energy. But its excessive doses of the cocaine causes the hallucination, यानी कि imagination. It is a hallucinogen. Question is, name two hallucinogen. So one we are already discussing. This is Erythroxylum coca. Say what cocaine is obtained, or coke. That is a hallucinogen. Another is coming. Other well-known plant which is used as hallucinogen is Atropa belladonna. This Dhatura plant, Atropa belladonna, which is commonly available as wild plant. Atropa belladonna or Dhatura. These days cannabinoids are being abused by the sports person also. Why do? Because it increases the energy, and it also provides the extreme feeling of happiness, so that it is abused. What is drug abuse? The definition when come, then only I will show you. So in this paragraph you have come to know the two hallucinogen. One is Erythroxylum coca, from which the coke or crack is obtained, and Atropa belladonna. Both of these are come under the category of cannabinoids. Now it comes the fourth one. Fourth are many. So here barbiturates, amphetamines, benzodiazepines, lysergic diethylamides, LSD are some of the drugs or similar type of drugs are there. Actually they can be used as medicine for our patients. Those are suffering from mental illness or depression or insomnia. Insomnia मतलब नींद नहीं आना. But they are abused. They are abused means without requirement they are being used. Now here again they are coming to the morphine, which was here. They are here discussing the medicinal use of morphine. That morphine is very effective sedative and painkiller, and it is useful for the patient those have undergone surgery. Surgery के बाद जो pain होता है उसको reduce करने के लिए this is morphine is used as sedative and painkiller. So this is completed about morphine, and this is completed about barbiturates and amphetamine. Now it is coming the next. Several plants, fruits and seeds also having the possessing the hallucinogenic properties, and they are being used by the people since hundreds of years as folk medicine in the religious ceremonies, in various rituals throughout the globe. And but if they are being taken without any requirement, without out of the you can say the requirement, then it becomes drug abuse. So here exact definition of drug abuse is now written here only. when these are taken for a purpose other than medicinal use. क्योंकि इनका मेडिसिनल यूज़ है, लेकिन मेडिसिनल यूज़ के अलावा अगर ये लिए जाते हैं इन अ अमाउंट और फ्रीक्वेंसी दैट इम्पेयर्स वंस फिजिकल, फिजियोलॉजिकल और साइकोलॉजिकल फंक्शन, इस अमाउंट में या इतनी फ्रीक्वेंसी में लिए जाते हैं कि वो किसी पर्सन के फिजिकल, फिजियोलॉजिकल, साइकोलॉजिकल फंक्शंस को डिस्टर्ब करते हैं, then it constitutes the drug abuse. Okay, if it is been taken like folk medicine or rituals ceremonies, then it can be, we can say that it is okay for 1 or 2 time, like if it is compulsory to take in as folk medicine or religious ceremony. But if it is taken in amounts and frequency that impairs the physiological, psychological and physical functions of the body, then it is considered as drug abuse. ये यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन आएगा what is drug abuse, तो ये उसका आंसर is here only in these last 3 lines. So on these 2 pages we have seen the types of the drugs, their receptors, their effects, and from where they are obtained. Now we are here coming to the last type of the drugs, that is smoking. Smoking, it is a very hard drug considered as, and human being is using it since last has been used by the human beings for more than 400 years, and in various form it is being used. It is smoked, it is chewed, and it is snuffed in 3 forms. What is the chemical present in the tobacco? This is the tobacco which is being used in these 3 forms. The chemical present in the tobacco is nicotine. You are also to underline each and every word as I have underlined. And alkaloids. This nicotine, what is the effect of it? It stimulates the adrenal gland to release adrenaline and non-adrenaline. And these 2 hormones actually released in the blood circulation, and then they increase the blood pressure, the increased heart rate. They are associated with the increased incidence and increased blood pressure. But what are the effects of these? Harmful effects. They increase the cancer of lungs, chances of lungs cancer, chances of bladder cancer, chances of throat cancer, bronchitis, emphysema, coronary heart disease, gastric ulcer. All of these, the person comes under the risk of all these diseases. Then it comes that tobacco chewing is actually associated with the increased risk of oral cavity when it is chewed. And this, if it is smoked, then it releases carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide binds with the hemoglobin and it reduces the binding of the oxygen with the hemoglobin, so that leads to the deficiency of oxygen in the body. Now in this paragraph it is written that on the packets of the cigarette always there is a warning that it is injurious to the health, but nobody bothers about that. And yet smoking is very prevalent in the young and in the old people, and it is very much dangerous if it is been chewed, or if it is been smoked, or if it is been snuffed. So it is a bad habit, and adults requires counseling and medical help to get rid of this habit. So this is all about the types of the drugs. Now it is coming the another topic, adolescence and drug and alcohol abuse. So what is the age called as the age of adolescence? It is actually the period between 12 to 18 years. That means it is a period between which is a link between childhood and adulthood. But it can be defined as a period or a process during which a child becomes mature in terms of his or her attitudes, beliefs, and effective participation in the society. Definition to you are to just copy or learn as it is, which is given in the book. But it is the age of between the 12 to 18 years, or it is a link between childhood and adulthood. And in this age, there are so many biological and behavioral changes takes place in the body of a child, of a person. So adolescence thus is a very vulnerable phase of mental and physiological development of individual. Now it comes, why do adolescents starts taking, or what are the causes of drug abuse in the adolescent age? So the causes can be the curiosity, need of adventure. These all are point 1 2 3. You are to write them as numbering by putting up the numbers. Excitement and experimentation, these can be the cause. That means there is a natural curiosity which motivates the child to experiment, but this first experiments complicates the situation and they might be trapped into the drug abuse. So curiosity and experimentation is the first cause of the taking the drugs. But if one want to escape from this habit, then the person start facing the problem. Now one more thing is there, कि sometime the adolescents or adolescent persons or children starts thinking that taking the drugs or alcohol will be a very cool and progressive process. So that the major cause of the youth to start this habit is this only. But television, movies, newspaper, internet also help to promote these perceptions. Okay. And another cause, if family is unsupportive or family structure or peer pressure is there, then also these conditions push the child in the condition of drug abuse, or that is can be the reason of starting of drugs by a adolescent person. Okay, so these are some of the factor by which we can say the reason and causes of which are the causes which motivate the youngsters towards the drug and alcohol use. These are the causes which motivates the youngsters towards the drug and alcohol use. Okay, so one should not be motivated by these things and should get be away from all these bad habits, and family should also be supportive, and peer pressure one should not feel, so that one can keep itself or should not come under stress of any of the situation. Okay, should share the problem with the parents and the teachers, so that one will not come under stress and will not be trapped under in such type of habits, or we can say the drug abuse. Thank you.